Hello friends, I am Mr. Myself is Mr. Shongit Moitash and from India, Kolkata obviously. Uh, I have 25 years experience in Tally environment, and today I am going to show you some tips and techniques regarding how to present a beautiful MIS report uh, using Tally data, uh, using Tally data in Microsoft Power BI. And because technology has been advanced so much, and therefore we need to use this advanced technology to get a beautiful representation, graphical representation, and in Power BI, using Power BI. But the data should be taken from Tally, obviously, because the all financial data we store or in Tally is useful, very useful for management information system. So today's problem is that I've been said that to generate a report regarding the journal sales, regarding the journal sales, total journal sales, and obviously the salesperson and employed in that particular zone on what the sales figure is there, a graphical representation, a pie chart or any or something else should be present and to for management. And the problem was that we have the salesperson in payroll systems in Tally. We had the payroll systems in Tally, the employees salesperson's name and everything, and we had the sales report or report. We had the invoices tagged in cost centers, tagged in cost centers, and the cost centers was the obviously the that at the time of creating payroll you need to create a cost group, and cost centers is usually already has been created, but the salesperson, but the cost centers is under the salesperson name. So we can have the report from Tally, report from Tally uh, by the salesperson's name, but the journal report, the total sales report for that particular zone on, and and the salesperson working and at that particular zones, the total sales figure is needed. So what to do? Again, I have to add these salespersons. I need to get the sales report or from the from the Tally according to the salesperson's name, and then I have to again add this salesperson and in a particular zone manually, and then need to create. So therefore I used a particular field in that payroll, or that is designation. In that particular field I put the zone on in which that salesperson has been assigned at that time. Okay, so therefore, and that has been in already implemented in Tally. But the problem is that cost center, when I am getting this cost center, the zone wise his report is not generated. So what I have to do, I have to export this salesperson and or the zone wise salesperson from tally, and then again get a sales report according to the cost center, and then and by summarize this is I need to generate the report in Power BI. And this particular works, how this particular works has been done, and today I will show that to you. Thank you. Please continue this video. First of all, I am showing you how the employees has been created. Employees has been created in Tally. So you see, this is the employees group, and this is a sales team. Under the sales teams, I have created sales staff, and sales staff. Under the sales staff there is a manager under the sales staff, and after that this is a sales manager and area manager. Okay, these are the groups of see I have been created, and you know the groups has been, and that is the employee has been created. Employee has been created, that is sales staff of manager, and this is the employee. Now see this employee under the area manager, there is two employee, MD Marakkar and Shukanta Datta. Now MD Marakkar now this is very important. As I need to get the zone A and zone B wise report, or therefore I have assigned a zone B staff or zone A staff in designations. It is a field that you can select any of the field functions, location you can select. But in any of these fields, I need to use any of these fields to get the report, to extract the report, or and the salesperson in which field is working. Okay, to extract the report. So now this is again, see, this is Nishikant Raut. This is a salesperson. This is a zone A staff. Okay, and now see, I have created the cost centers. Now created the cost centers. Alter from cost centers, I am going payroll, statutory cost centers. Cost centers. Do not create, alter chart of accounts. From chart of accounts you can get cost centers, sales teams cost centers. That is the cost centers has been used for the sales team cost centers that is revenue and non-revenue item, and sales teams has been assigned in the you have already seen that in employees category this sales teams has been used. Okay, sales team. Okay, this is the category, and under this category, sales teams category, the employees groups is under this sales teams category. Okay, this is sales staff. This is under this category, group alteration. This is the group. Now you can get now I am going to show you the report. I first thing I need to show you entry, profit and loss, sales account, four-wheeler stars. This is some sales. See, you cannot assign any cost center in this particular sales in the invoice mode. So that therefore you need to go for or voucher mode. Now see, I am changing the mode as voucher. When I have used this as voucher, after passing the entry in invoice, I use the voucher mode, and I have assigned this is sales staff. Okay, four-wheeler stars sales sold by Lipika Hajra, bike tire sales sold by Lipika Hajra. This I use this field, cost centers field to assign in the sales invoice. Okay, but in invoice mode you cannot assign in the cost. You can assign. Okay, just a minute. When I am going to you can assign also cost centers, you can assign. So but you cannot see it. So when I done this sales invoice, and the sales invoice is has been created, the sales staff is assigned. Now you will see, now the report, get the report, getting the report, from report display more report, cost center wise statement of accounts, from cost center wise report, cost center summary or cost center breakup. Cost center summary, I am getting sales staffs. Now sales staffs, in this report you see the sales staff as the sales staff has been assigned in invoice. The sales staff, the sales, according to the sales staff, I am getting from the tally. But you cannot get in which zone, a details report in which zone particularly the sales staff has been assigned, because it was in designation field and there is no report from no report has been linked with the designations. Okay, so what to do? I Now from the payroll register, we need to get employee profile report. Okay, so if you open like see area managers, if you open area manager, and what will happen? I do not need to get regular tax regime or tax regime. You will get, now see, you will get the area managers total basic details according with designation, zone B and zone staffs. So you will get a report or the all sales staffs report, or who is under assigned in under which zone. See, now we are opening sales staff. Now you will see that sales staff, you can see that Lipika Hajra in sales staff as zone A staff, Anil Dotto zone B staff, such as Shubhro Sarkar at zone B staff, etc., etc. Okay. So now we need to export this report. From export or to export to, I am changing the drive path, folder path, that is changing the drive path. My teaching notes, yes, this is the folder path is now my teaching notes, and I need to send it. Okay, send it in that folder path, and this will be an Excel file, and I have exported it. Okay, now next, now you see this has been exported. Excel file has been exported, and I will get the zone wise staff report. But some field has to be deleted, because employees number like that, functions like that, this field has to be deleted because we do not need it. Now again, from statement of accounts, cost center summary, sales staff wise report. Here I will get the staff wise report, and this staff wise report has to be exported, because this is actually data of the sales personnel sold, the sales personnel who sold all items, the sales figure sold by the sales personnel, and I have to design according to the zone. I have to design a report according to the zone. So next I will show you how to get it. Okay. Now you from this Excel sheet, you this is the final Excel sheet where the report has been done. That is, you can see that this is the chart that is zone B staff. If you want to change the pivot chart can be changed through these columns. Now you can switch to zone A staff, and now if you switch to zone A staff, you will see that Lipika Hazra, these are zone A, the salesperson of zone A. So what is the total sales figure of that particular month? And you can get the annual figure also, you can get the monthly figure also. So this is the zone A chart table. ठीक है. So Lipika Hazra's, what's the percentage of Lipika Hazra's sales? You see 24%, and that is 22% and 54%. This is a final report. Zone A staff and zone wise is sales staff's report. And how I have done this? See, first we exported the sales staff. This is the chart that has been filtered, and some location and designation and the gender is taken from the exported file only, and after the filtration, and the final table is copied and pasted here. Okay, this is the sales staff. You will get this, and this is the sales team total. You do not need it, but I also exported it. I have exported the sales staff's figure. I have exported it not directly from Tally. I use the ODBC filter. Later I will show you that how ODBC filter, how to export the data as through ODBC filter according to your choice. You can, and then in the ODBC, through the ODBC query, you can get the field, what field do you need to export in a Excel table. Okay, so through this ODBC I got this location and gender also. It was in Tally. So after that, that is the cost center breakup. You may remember that from the cost center report I also exported directly from Tally. This is the cost center reports, that the cost centers in the personnel of sales personnel's sales figures is here, and you will see that 8,11,974 is salesperson sales figures. Now from that sales cost centers, from that two table I designed. I have designed this is total figure that there are three. What I need: the salesman, and the selling figure, and the closing balance, and the zone. These are the four field I need to prepare Power BI chart. So this four, from this field, from this 4 field I have prepared this Power BI pivot table chart, and you will now you can see this is the final MIS report, how you can manage the MIS report or customize MIS report or from tally data. Thank you. I think you have learned something in, and if you think the video is helpful, then I think you will share or like this video. Thank you a lot.